Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to make this video to show you how to do this. This would be like one piece of wood cut out and be a sign or something pretty cool. But I'm going to do it totally different than I've ever done it before. I'm going to left click and right click. And then I'm going to take the shift tool and I'm going to double click on the rectangle. What that did is I made a perfect rectangle the length of my item. Now we're working the center of the page, so I'm going to elongate a little bit, and then I'm going to hit P again. I'm going to go up here to my corner radius, and I'm going to go like 2 inches. And it didn't quite be long enough, so I'm going to stretch it out some more and hit P. Now, it's not totally on all the letters, like the R, because some letters in even a font are not the same. So what we need to do now is take our rounded rectangle. I'm going to go, and you can make it smaller, but let's do this with effects and contour. We're going to contour the inside like 0.25. That might be too much. Yeah, that's too much. Let's go 0.1. There we go. Now you need to break this contour apart. Then we're going to take the outside line. Let's make sure we just have the outside line. We do. I'm going to go ahead and turn it red because we're going to turn the other one red in just a second too. Red signifies to me a cut line. But I'm going to grab the outside line and I'm going to contour it to the outside point. Let's go 0.5 and see what it looks like. That looks pretty good. Now delete this other line. Whoop, you've got to go and break the contour apart. The contours are still connected. Now, the way I've always done it before is weld. But if you will select, we're going to go ahead and make this red line. And I need to make everything a hairline. I'm still drawing on somebody else's file. I need to just stop doing that. I can grab just the text and the inner circle by not going all the way to the edge. See, I'm not all the way to the edge, and I'm going to go right there. And then I'm going to go right here to back, front minus back. And that's what you get. So it cut out all the garbage. And then if you take your smart fill tool and fill that in, and if it was a piece of wood, it would look like wood. We can change it to a different color, more like wood color, and take away the outline right now. You would want the outline for cutting it, but that's what it's going to look like. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.